The pursuit of happiness is seen by many to be the ultimate life goal, so much that it is even written into the US Constitution, or in the title of a Hollywood hit. Ask the man on the street what they want most, and chances are they'll say happiness. Yes, they'll say other things too: money, fame, respect, love, but all will be symptoms of the same craving: to be happy. So, is happiness something that just happens to you? Some people think so, but science has proven time and time again that happiness is a state of mind. While it can differ from one person to another, there's actually a lot you could be doing to improve your mood and keep a healthy, sustained feeling of happiness. In this video, we'll be looking into 7 tips to live a perfectly happy life. Before we proceed, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome self-improvement videos like this one. Alright, on to the first one. Tip number 1 is to be grateful for what you have. According to some studies, striving for more only leads to more suffering. Minimalism and simplicity sometimes equals happiness. One thing you can do is to start writing in a gratitude journal every night. The trick is to write down 3 things that happened in the day for which you are grateful. This is a great way to end your day feeling happy and will let you view your life through a lens of positivity and gratitude rather than a negative one. You'll start to gain more of an objective perspective that your life is rich, and you'll be able to pinpoint exactly why. Even on the worst days, there's always something to be grateful for. Tip number 2 is to try to smile or laugh. Easier said than done, I know, especially when times are difficult. But studies have shown that laughing or even putting on a smile, even a fake one, can improve your mood. A study by the Mayo Clinic suggests that laughter relieves stress. Laughter prompts the intake of healthy oxygen, unleashes endorphins, and soothes tension. So seek out laughter. Find those things that tickle you. Watch a funny TV show, play with your pet, or maybe seek out that friend that you just can't stop laughing with. Laughter is infectious, so the more you put yourself into those situations, the more you'll be happy. Our third tip to be happy is a massively important one: have a regular exercise routine. There are many scientific studies that demonstrate how beneficial fitness training is for your health. A recent Harvard study showed that even moderate activity decreases your chances of depression by 26%. Other studies have shown that exercise has a lot more benefits and helps with relieving stress, getting rid of anxiety, and generally helping your nervous system recover from traumatic events. So having a regular exercise routine is a must in this busy world. Not only does it improve your physical health, but it does wonders for your mental health too. It can also encourage you to go outside, which brings us to our next tip. Tip number 4 is to make sure you carve out some time for fresh air and sunshine. Being with nature has a way of clearing the windshield so you can see life with a fresh perspective, away from the everyday worries, stresses, and fears. Try and find a hill where you can look upon the city or landscape. It'll give you that clear perspective that'll make you realize problems are manageable and that most problems are insignificant in the grand scheme of things. On a physical level, the fresh air and exercise associated with being outside is always guaranteed to improve your mood. Alright, on to our last 3 tips. Now it's important to be kind to others and try to make people feel happy. That way, the sense of reward will come back to you. The thing about being happy is that it is a state that you share with the world. Truly happy people are the ones that are generous, kind, and help out others in need. Several studies have shown that there is a link between generosity and happiness. Generous behavior increases your instances of feeling happy. As they say, sometimes the greatest gift is the gift of giving. Empathy and kindness create stronger connections. Through these acts, you make the world a better place. You don't have to be dealing out grand gestures here. Just a simple thank you or a compliment can go far in someone's daily life. Tip number 6 is to pursue things that align with your purpose. Many different studies have shown the link between having a sense of purpose and the quality of life. According to a study done by researchers at George Mason University, devoting effort and making progress towards your life's goals provides a significant, renewable source of engagement and meaning. Again, these can be little actions leading towards a higher goal. It's important to not stress yourself out too much trying to find purpose. Just figure out something that's important to you and do little actions that help. A small act, such as donating a small amount to somebody in need, will go a long way. Now, our final tip is to make sure you include a plan for some rest and relaxation in your life. As we live increasingly busy lives in today's hectic world, downtime is viewed as lost time. Happy people realize the benefits of recharging. They know how to refuel, which will enable them to get back on form quicker. Everyone is different. Some find intense exercise relaxing, while others prefer to lie down with a book. Whatever puts you into a relaxed state, make sure you leave time for it as a priority and do that activity frequently. And that's it, guys. These are our 7 tips on how to be perfectly happy. Which one of these tips do you practice regularly? And how has it changed your life? Let us know in the comments below. Also, if you guys enjoy these kinds of videos, then check out our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for now. Peace!